Factories Act 1948. So this is very important for upcoming HR executive test preparation. So we will cover health, safety and welfare of workers. So what are the objectives of Factory Act 1948? To ensure adequate safety measures for workers, to promote health and welfare of workers, to regulate working hours, leave and employment conditions, to prevent exploitation of workers in factories. Applicability, where it is applicable, applies to factories with 10 or more workers with power, 20 or more workers without power, covers manufacturing processes. Exemptions available in special cases, example armed forces. Working hours maximum 48 hours per week, 9 hours per day, overtime, wages for extra work, weekly holidays and rest intervals. Safety measures, fencing of machinery, protective gear, health, cleanliness, ventilation, lighting, drinking water, welfare, canteen, crèche, first aid and restrooms. Canteens for workers in large factories, crèche facilities for women workers, restroom and lunch rooms, appointment of welfare officers if 500 plus workers, adequate washing and sanitation facilities. 1 day leave for every 20 days work, 1 day leave for every 15 days work, eligibility minimum 240 working days in a year, accumulation and carry forward allowed. Inspectors appointed for enforcement, non-compliance penalties, fines, imprisonment, employer held responsible for violations, ensures accountability for worker safety. Comprehensive law for worker protection in factories covers health, safety, welfare, and working hours, ensures fair treatment, and prevents exploitation. Enforce through inspections and penalties. Foundation for modern labor welfare laws in